In the next 5 years, artificial intelligence will not just evolve, it will transform the very fabric of our daily lives. This revolution is not coming slowly. It is accelerating, changing the way we think, work, and exist. The rise of AI is not about machines taking over. It is about how we as humans choose to evolve with them. Imagine a world where every mundane task, from scheduling your meetings to managing your household, is handled by intelligent assistants. Imagine never having to wait in line again because everything is automated and personalized. Imagine your workday optimized not by effort, but by insight. AI will learn from your behavior, understand your needs, and anticipate your decisions before you even make them. But the impact goes far beyond convenience. Industries like healthcare, education, and finance will be redefined completely. Doctors will use AI not just to detect diseases early, but to predict them before symptoms even appear. Education will become fully adaptive, tailoring itself to each student's pace and strengths. And in finance, algorithms will ensure smarter investments, fewer risks, and personalized financial planning for everyone. However, with great power comes even greater responsibility. As AI integrates deeper into society, we must ask ourselves who controls it, who benefits from it, and who might be left behind. We cannot afford to treat AI as just another tool. It is a force that can reshape economies and redefine what it means to be human. Fairness, transparency, and accountability must become the core of AI development, or we risk creating systems that mirror and amplify our existing biases. Many people are scared of what lies ahead. They fear job losses, privacy intrusions, and machines that outsmart humans. But history reminds us that every major technological leap brought similar fears. When electricity was introduced, people feared it would be deadly and uncontrollable. When cars appeared, thousands of workers who drove horse carts lost their jobs. But over time, those very inventions created industries that changed the world and gave birth to new opportunities. AI is not here to replace us. It is here to empower us. It will take over repetitive tasks and allow us to focus on creativity, empathy, leadership, and innovation. It will enable artists to create unimaginable worlds, scientists to solve problems once thought unsolvable, and entrepreneurs to build businesses with speed and precision never seen before. We are standing at the edge of a new era, an era where the collaboration between human intelligence and artificial intelligence will define the next chapter of civilization. This is not the end of human purpose. It is a new beginning where machines work for us, not against us, where knowledge is no longer limited by memory, but expanded by insight, where ideas become action at the speed of thought. In the future, we will look back at this moment and realize that this was not a threat. This was a breakthrough, not a loss of control, but a shift in perspective. The fear we feel today will be replaced by the pride of what we built together, when we chose to guide technology with wisdom rather than fear, when we decided that the future was something we shape, not something we hide from. This is the age of intelligence. Not artificial, but collective intelligence, where machines learn from humans, and humans grow through machines. The future is not waiting. It is unfolding in real time right in front of us. So let us not ask whether AI will change the world. Let us ask how we will change with it. Because ready or not, the next 5 years will redefine everything.